So let's dive into Davinci Resolve to show you how to make that sci-fi cinematic title. And don't worry, it's pretty easy. Okay, the very first thing is you need to come to Effects. Under Effects, drag in a Fusion composition. Then let's click the Fusion composition and come to Fusion. Then drag in a text plus node and just join it to the media out. And under text, let's give in our title. So I'm going to type something like Eclipse. Then I'm going to change the font to Bebas New. It's kind of cinematic title. Let me change this to single window right here. And let me increase the tracking. Now instead of joining the text directly to media out, I'm going to bring in a merge node, and then from the merge to the media out, and from the text plus to the merge input. So if you need to add in multiple effects, you can use the merge node. So let's reset the tracking, and I want to do a keyframing on the tracking. So I'm going to come to the first frame and hit a keyframe on tracking and increase it about like this. Then I'm going to come to about frame 30 and then decrease the tracking like so. Now if I hit play, you can see it slowly comes back like this. Now we need to smoothen this, so come to spline, select the text and then press this one. And I'm going to select this particular portion and press F on the keyboard. Now press T on the keyboard and this window will open, and I'm going to increase the ease in. I'm going to try to increase it to about 100. So I think the transition is happening a little bit fast. So what I can do is just select this, press shift and drag it all the way like this to move the keyframe. And now if I hit play, yes, I think it's somewhat good. If you want, you can reduce the ease in value. So I'm going to decrease it something like 50. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this fast noise. Just drag it like this, and from here join it to the text node. Now if I view the fast noise, this is what the fast noise is. It creates a set of noise. So I'm going to make fast noise on this window and increase the sheath rate, so there will be a slight movement in the noise. Now after the text node, I'm going to press shift spacebar, glow, press add. Let me switch back to single window. You can, if you want, increase the glow. Uncheck this lock XY, and I'm going to increase the X glow size. And you can do a keyframing on the glow. So at this point, I want the X glow size to be something like that. Come to a point where the animation is almost complete, and at this point I'm going to decrease the X glow size. Now let's come to spline, select the glow and press this one, and select Ctrl A and press S on the keyboard this time, so it will smoothen out the animation. Now I think the sheath rate is a bit too much here, so let me reduce it to a little bit. Awesome. Now all you need to do is just drag this fusion composition above a particular video clip, and you have your cinematic sci-fi title ready. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. We are almost close to 5,000 subscribers, which is huge. So thank you to each and everyone who have subscribed to this small channel. So for those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all as always in the next one.